Hey everyone, so I just wanted to create a quick tutorial of the gradient background animation that I covered in the workshop earlier because it's fairly simple and I thought it'd be good to share a quick demo of it. So basically on Microsoft Designer they have this design where they have the header and the gradient subtly animates and it loops through, changes color and then goes back again. So the plan is to recreate that effect. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw in a rectangle and just get that about the right size. And I'll send that to the back. I'll do that using the right click menu so you can see. And then I'm going to bring that out over here on the canvas just so we can turn it into a component. And we'll click here to create a component, or what is it? Option Command K. And we'll call that gradient background. So we'll basically have two variants, the starting one and another one, and a little loop between them. So I'm going to get my rectangle here. I'm just going to put a slight border on it, border radius on it as well to make it a little bit rounder. I think I put that on the wrong thing. There we go. And then I'll apply the gradient as well to the rectangle. You could do it on the frame as well, but I'll just do it on the rectangle. So I put the pink on and then put on the peachy color. And then I'm going to create another variant of that. So this will be the one that it loops to. Bring that down a bit so I can see what's going on. So I'll change the colors first on this one. So this one is going to be slightly different. That's the wrong one, this one. So I'll change the gradient here to yellow and this one to a different shade of yellow. I can't see it. Just put those out there earlier so I could pick up the colors easily. And now I'm going to link them two together. So I press Shift E there and I'll connect that one. So there's no trigger for this, it's just going to loop. So it'll happen after a delay. And I'll make that appear for a little bit, 400 milliseconds, and then it will be quite a long, maybe just put that up to 2000 because it's quite a slow effect. And as long as the rectangles have the same name, that should animate okay. So it's going to the other variant and then it needs to come back again. So the same idea, after the delay, it will animate back to the original one, that'll just keep going. So if we take that now and put it back in the design, bring it down a little bit, and I'll send it to the back. And now if I prototype that, you should see little looping animation. And that's it really, I think.